In our last tutorial, we designed the front of this beautiful postcard from A to Z. So in this video, we can take our time with creating the back of the card and exporting the project correctly. Let's create a new artboard next to this one, and we're going to define another custom size here, which logically will be the same as the front. 148 by 148 millimeters. Here we go. The first thing I will add is my signature from the other artboard. Let's place it down here. Make sure that you leave enough space on all sides. You can set up some guides here as well that can help you in the process. In fact, I really recommend it if this is your first time doing this. So next, let's create another layer where we'll add all the credits. So let's add the text box and write, surprise, surprise, my own name. And all the credit goes to me. Add a nifty or rights reserved in there, and I'll make it much smaller, something like 10 points. Yep. It's impossible to read now, so we make it navy, of course, another one of my signature colors. And then I want to actually rotate it so I can place it on the side. Holding down one finger snaps the rotation of the text box every 45 degrees. So I know this is aligned vertically and not at some odd angle. So this goes here, and I'll insert some more text on the other side. So first create a new layer just to be properly OCD. More text means more opportunities for self-promotion. If anyone receives this postcard, I want them to know as a fact who made it. They might be, ooh, I like that, I want to work with her. This is my full business name here, and then I'm adding my website, so you can also add your email address, your Instagram handle, or whatever you feel will push your business forward. My brand comes with an icon as well. Yes, that's right, I have a signature and an icon. So I will bring in my eye from my stickers. Naturally, I've got a tutorial on that as well, so be sure to watch it. I use this element almost everywhere. Copy and paste. Okay, great. Now I'll change the color to the same blue, and I also resize it so it's the same height as all my text. And try to make sure that there is enough space between your art and the margin. Very cute, but it can be cuter. So let's actually make the text smaller because I feel it's quite big and almost a bit invasive. Let's make this 9 points. See, it's just a point difference, but it's already so much better. I'm rearranging the elements a bit and reducing the size of this text here as well, since I definitely want them to be unified. Now I have all my legal text here on the back, and I make sure that people can find me if they want to. Here I leave all the space for people to write their personal notes. Of course, you're completely free to design the back any way you want to. Make it work for you. For example, you can also add some lines here where people can write their address and such. But in my case, it's time to export. I'm exporting as PDF. I don't want the printers to have the original file because I don't want them to make any modifications. And then I include all artboards. Plus, I want this to be converted into CMYK, so I know that I will have optimal print quality. If you have really vibrant colors though, nowadays digital printing is a new kid on the block that allows you to also print from an RGB file, which is a much easier way to get the exact result you want. If you're familiar with screen and print colors, a screen always shows a much wider spectrum of intensity that cannot be reproduced in print, because print uses inks, while screens uses light in order to create millions of shades. It's general practice that you turn any printed project into CMYK before sending it to the printer, but I'm super particular about this because of the electric coral. And in any case where I have more vibrant colors actually. Then I like to export in RGB and go to my local digital printers. They're able to read this information and transform it into beautifully colored final products. So to conclude my point here, I'll leave this toggle turned off. And then I export and send it directly to my email as an attachment. Here I can already write my message to the manufacturer and send it on its way. Another one bites the dust. Another project shipped. All right, that's a wrap. I really hope you feel inspired to turn your amazing artwork into postcards yourself. And I hope you know everything that you need to know now in order to do so. If you like this video, feel free to comment. Also, if you want to see a tutorial about any topic, I don't know, also drop it down below, and make sure that you follow Vectornator for more amazing tutorials. And if you like my work, say hello and follow me on Instagram. It's @sandra.staub. Thank you so much and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.